Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial we are going to look up for more options which is available under type menu with our Illustrator. So we're going to look for the smart punctuation. So we're going to apply it on this text. So this is going to be this my text. I need to fix the errors. So we're going to fix some punctuation here like this quotation mark, and also we have this space between this dot, and also we have some lectures that we are going to fix all of this, and also we have this dash. So with the smart punctuation you can fix all here. So when you click on the smart punctuation you can replace punctuation if it's ff, and we have this fi with a semicolon, and also we have this FFI lectures, and also we have this FFFL and also FFL lectures. So here we have this smart quotas as well, and also we have the smart spaces you can see, and we have this EN, we have this EM dashes as well. So we have this ellipsis, and also we have the expert fractions. We're not going to check this expert fractions. If you don't check this expert fraction by default, if you just click OK, so it's going to look up for the fractions as well. So we're going to only apply this on the selected text only. We are not going to apply it on the entire document. So I'm going to hit OK. So when you click at that, so now it's going to show me changes made to selection only, to lecture changed, 4 quotas changed, and 1 space changed, and also 2 dashes, dots or fractions change here. So this is how you can use this smart punctuation if you want to fix the errors of the punctuation. So this is not going to be something that is going to give you the error, but it's going to fix all the punctuation on the position that it need to be. So this is a really useful option that you can use it for different paragraph inside your Illustrator. And the next option here we have this create outline. So if we want to create outline from our text, let me delete this. So here I'm going to make this text, and if I want to convert that into outline, so I can just right click, and here we have this create outline, or the shortcut for that we have the shift plus control plus O, or you can just go to this type menu and click on the create outline. So now it's outlined, so now we cannot edit this, but this is act as a shape that we can use it. And also the next option here we have this optical margin alignment. I have the text for that. Let me just bring it over here. So look what happened now. If I'm going to apply, so a small space here is going to show you that is going to remove it. So we're going to click on optical margin. As you can see, the text is now a little bit over here. It's going to fix, but if I'm going to Control Z, if you just closely take a look at this text, and I'm going to apply this again, an optical margin. As you can see, let me undo, so you can see the a little space is going to apply for the text here. So this is going to call this optical margin alignment. And if it's already checked and you have to write something, so this is turn on this optical margin alignment. You don't have to just go again and again and apply it on your text. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learn how to use all the options with type menu. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.